How to integrate ChatGPT with Gmail. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this, just open up any browser of your choice. Then just simply search for ChatGPT for Gmail. After that, you will be able to find different links over here. You can just open them up and these are some extensions. You can get the one by gmplus.io or the other one is from ChatGPT for gmail.com. You can just simply add them to your Chrome after going through the overview and reading all the features that these extensions possess or give you. Or you can just simply go to the Chrome web store and over here search for ChatGPT for Gmail. Then you will be able to find these extensions. The first one is by gmplus.io and the other one is by ChatGPT for Gmail. Just simply get them or click on this option of add to Chrome. And this way you would be able to integrate your Gmail with ChatGPT. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.